Keep the mirror modifier, apply it actually, not just keep it, apply it, and then remove subdivision surface. The whole thing is not done for me, but you know, in case your whole body is done, you can then go and add one first thing, which is the multi-resolution modifier, which is basically like the subdivision surface modifier, but it has one cool feature that I'm going to show you in a second. And then also a shrink wrap modifier. Put that on here. First, let's set this. So the shrink wrap modifier. What we want to set to is project. And then we want to snap to on surface, that is fine. We want to enable negative and positive, so both. And then the target, of course, would be the body. You can see it looks horrendous, especially here. The biggest problem here are these like stretchy things, which usually come from either the shrink wrap finding different target, surface target, that it snaps the geometry to. So in this case here, for example, it took this section, which is really close to this geometry, and just kind of moved it over here because somehow it saw this one as the closest geometry. You could, for example, also set this to nearest surface point, which might make it look a bit better. I usually use project because generally you can fix these problems and project creates a nicer looking geometry. In this case with the mouth, for example, what you need to do to fix this is just select the whole mouth that is inside the sculpt, create a vertex group, and then apply the vertex group to the shrink wrap modifier right here so that the mouth gets excluded from shrink wrapping. And this way you can make sure that the mouth doesn't explode. So now you can see it's nicely selected and removed from the shrink wrap modifier, and now everything looks okay for this example. And now with the multi-res modifier set to a pretty good multi-resolution level, let's set it to like 2 or 3 depending on how much geometry you need to capture all the details. Let's say we set it to 3, for example. You can then apply the shrink wrap modifier, and the shrink wrap gets saved in the multi-resolution modifier, but you can still go back in the previous levels too. Multi-resolution is the one that you want to use, not shrink wrap, because multi-resolution can actually save the shape that your sculpt had. Subdivision surface cannot save it.